What if I told you I made $1,000 in just 7 days without filming a single clip or even touching a script, just free AI tools? Sounds fake? Watch this. Everything you see on screen is real views, engagement, and income. In this video, I'm not only sharing the proof, but also the exact step-by-step process I used to achieve it. But be careful, I didn't just launch this channel last week, but in the past 7 days, it brought in nearly $1,000. So don't rush. You need to be patient at first to get what you want at last. I'll walk you through how I wrote the scripts, generated the voiceovers using free AI tools, created the visuals with AI image generators, turned those visuals into short clips, and finally combined everything into polished, high-performing videos, all without spending a single dollar. Let's dive in. First, to create the script and the prompts for the images and animations, you can use many AI tools like Grok or Gemini. As for me, I use ChatGPT. I spent a lot of time experimenting to get ChatGPT to generate exactly what I wanted with the standards I had in mind. After many trials, I came up with the following prompt. Create a script for a time-short video about topic. Then give me an image prompt for each scene. Then give me a prompt to animate each image. Make sure that the prompts are clear and simple because I want to generate the images and animation with AI. Anyway, you'll find it in the description. All you have to do is fill in the short video duration and the topic. I'll create a 30-second video about Roman civilization. Once the result looks good, use the second prompt I've also added in the description. This one tells ChatGPT to give you only the script without any extra instructions or explanations. Next step, voiceover creation. To generate the voiceover, copy your script and head to 11 Labs. Click on Go to App. I already have an account, so I'll sign out to show you the process. You can sign up with a Google account, but personally, I prefer using a temporary email because the site gives a limited word count per month. So sign up using a temp email. Now go to the text-to-speech section, paste your script, delete any extra text, keep only the script, and choose a voice. I'll test a few voices and go with this one. Click Add to my voices. You can adjust stability, but I don't recommend changing it. Then hit Generate Speech. It will create 2 voiceover generations. Play both, pick the better one. I'll go with generation 2 and download it. Done. Now, let's create the images using AI. We'll use the site shown on screen. By the way, you'll find all the links in the description below the video. And on your way, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get back to our topic. Click free to get a free trial by signing up. Don't use Google to register because once the free trial ends, you'll need to pay. Instead, use a temp email. Copy it, paste it into the AI site, request the code, go back, grab the code, verify the account, and set a password. You're in. You now have 300 credits. Click Create. Here's where the magic happens, so focus. Paste your image prompt here, get it from ChatGPT, which costs just 5 credits. Done. The image is generated. Next, we'll turn the image into a video using the same site. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the animation prompt, return to the site, and paste it. Choose the effect model. There are many to pick from, but I'll leave it on default. You can also add a background music or upload one or leave it blank. There's an option called lip sync. Enable this only if your character is meant to talk, like in storytelling videos with a narrator. In our case, we'll leave it off. Set the duration. Click Generate Video, and once it's done, download it. Repeat the process for the other scenes. And just like that, you've created your AI-generated video. Now for the final step, putting it all together, all the video clips and the voiceover into one short video. I'll use CapCut. Let's open the app and start a new project. Wait, CapCut is now a paid app? No worries. Here's a quick fix. Go to the site shown on screen, look for the older versions, and download version 4.6.0. Problem solved. Back to the project. Place all your video clips on the timeline in the correct order. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for short videos. As you'll notice, the videos have watermarks, so crop them out as needed. Now add your voiceover. Adjust the speed of each clip to match the narration. Then add transitions between clips for smoother flow. Go to audio, then sound effects. You can test different sounds or type transition in the search bar. I'll choose Scene Transition To and align it with each clip transition on the timeline. Last step, automatic subtitles. Click on Auto Captions, choose the language, hit Create, wait for processing, and edit the text as you want. Finally, export the video at the quality you want. And here's the final result.
Long ago, in the heart of Europe, rose one of the greatest empires the world has ever known, Rome. Romans built majestic temples, roads, and aqueducts, many still standing today. Roman life was rich with drama, gladiators, philosophy, and art. The Roman army conquered lands far and wide, building an empire across Europe, Asia, and Africa. Though the empire fell, Rome's legacy still shapes our world today.